to which extent do you localize these apps and WeChat Mini Programs and so on? Is it like a brand new app, or do you just customize it to the local demands and cultures as well?
Well, definitely it's customizable. We provide a platform that is very flexible, but at the same time, we work with a lot of partners in the markets that we have invested in. So we work with system integrators, we work with hardware vendors, we work with managed service providers to bring total solution to our customers that leverage the power of the platform that we offer. We do believe that such ecosystem, digital ecosystem, is the way for the technology to be embedded, to be used in different markets, and that's the exciting part, and we are hoping to establish a very similar ecosystem in the region for a very for win-win situation.